This video will show how to change the rear differential oil seal on this Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport JL 2019. Chock both front wheels. Jack up the rear end and place axle stands on either side of the axle casing. Place the vehicle in neutral and undo and remove the 8 drive shaft flange bolts and 4 washer plates using a Torx T45 bit. Use an impact gun to speed up the process. Use a flat screwdriver or a chisel and tap with a mallet to loosen the drive shaft from the flange. Lower the drive shaft down. Take note of how the end of the drive shaft looks. The grooves are not where it splits apart from the diff flange. Use a 32mm socket and remove the nut with an impact gun. We used a 3-jaw puller to remove the flange from the differential spline. I'm sure a 2-jaw puller would work also. Use a seal puller to remove the seal. Be sure to have an oil drain pan underneath to catch any oil. Clean the area thoroughly. We use some part cleaner spray to help. Place the new seal in position and aim to start off as square as possible. Use a flat, smooth edge to tap the seal into place. Make sure the seal is fully seated all around. Place the flange over the spline shaft. Use a piece of 2x4 and tap the flange with a mallet so it's fully seated. Install a new nut with blue thread lock. Use the correct torque. Apply some grease to the flange and the end of the drive shaft. Place the drive shaft in place, keep it square and engage as far as possible. Use the Torx bolts washer plates to seat it the rest of the way. Use the impact driver to just seat the bolts all the way down. Use blue Loctite on these bolts. Torque the bolts to 28 foot-pounds using a crisscross pattern. Either top off the differential oil or replace it altogether. we decided to replace it. Remove the drain bolt on the left side of the diff case using a 3/8 square drive and drain the oil into a pan. Once drained, replace and tighten the drain plug. Remove the fill plug on the rear of the diff case using a 3/8 square drive. Refill the differential with 2 quarts of gear and axle oil until the oil starts to spill out of the fill hole. We used 75/140 weight because we use the vehicle for towing. Reinstall and tighten the fill plug, clean up any spill, and you are done. Thanks for watching.